Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Review Zone. Today, we're diving into the action-packed world of the brand new GoPro Hero 13. This little powerhouse is here to redefine how we capture our adventures. Whether you're into extreme sports, travel vlogging, or just want incredible videos and photos, the GoPro Hero 13 promises cutting-edge features that could blow your mind. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. Creators, imagine a camera that not only enhances your vision, but amplifies it to cinematic levels. Meet the GoPro Hero 13, a compact, innovative powerhouse designed to revolutionize action videography. Crafted for every adventurer, this camera bridges pro-grade video quality with unmatched ease. Ready to elevate your craft? Step into the realm of stunning visuals with 5.3K 60 video resolution. Whether you're chasing action or crafting artistic shots, Hero 13 ensures your footage is sharp, vibrant, and cinematic. Coupled with Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, even your wildest adventures are transformed into buttery smooth masterpieces. Reimagine your shots with the groundbreaking HB series lenses. From immersive wide angles to dramatic motion blur and anamorphic effects, these lenses unlock endless creative potential. They're perfect for creators looking to add sophisticated, professional touches to their content with minimal effort. Durability is part of GoPro's DNA, and the Hero 13 takes it further with its rugged, waterproof design. Whether scaling mountains or diving into ocean depths, this action cam thrives in every condition. A robust Enduro battery ensures extended recording times so you can focus on capturing memories. Why limit creativity? Hero 13 offers advanced tools like automatic highlight videos, 10-bit color for lifelike tones, and seamless cloud uploads for instant storage. Its reimagined mounting system adds versatility to support more angles and perspectives while you film. Weighing just 5.5 ounces, this marvel of technology fits in your pocket but delivers like a heavyweight. Its intuitive design enables creators of all expertise levels to produce professional content with ease. The Hero 13 isn't just a camera, it's your partner in storytelling. Ready to redefine what's possible? The GoPro Hero 13 is your gateway to cinematic brilliance. Don't just tell your story, live and capture it like never before. Adventure awaits. Why wait any longer? Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome tech reviews like this one.